Hello kids. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. Lesson number 14, the United Nations Organization. The United Nations Organization. In this lesson we shall study the birth of the United Nations Organization, main objectives of the United Nations, main organs of the United Nations, major agencies of the United Nations, and India's role in the United Nations Organization. We are going to learn all these points in this lesson. Understood now? So, now we'll see the birth of the United Nations Organization. The birth of the United Nations Organization. The First World War in 1914 to 18 started in Europe as a result of increasing enmity between the industrialized nations. Countless soldiers and other people were killed or wounded. The war caused a lot of misery, bloodshed, and destruction across the world. Some nations discussed a need for worldwide peace and thus came together to form the League of Nations in 1919. Despite this, the Second World War broke out in 1939 and caused even more damage and destructions. The First World War in 1914 to 1918 started in Europe. As a result of this First World War, increasing enmity between the industrialized nations. Countless soldiers, other peoples were wounded and killed in this war. The war caused a lot of bloodshed, misery, destruction across the world. Some nations discussed a need for worldwide peace. Some nations gathered together and discussed a need for worldwide peace and thus came together. Some nations came together, discussed a need for worldwide peace and thus they came together to form a League of Nations in 1919. Despite this, Second World War broke out in 1939 and caused even more damage and destruction. Despite the Second World War broken out in 1939 and caused even more damage and destructions. After the war, some nations again came together to form a world organization which would help in preventing any more wars in future. This was how the United Nations Organization was formed on the 24th October 1949. To avoid the war, to avoid the damages, destructions. Some nations came together to form world organization which would help in preventing any more war in future. They came together and they would would organize which would help in preventing any war in future, any damages, destruction in future. This was how United Nations organization was formed on 24th October in 1945. The United Nations organization formed on 24th October 1949 because to prevent any more wars in future. Understood, no kids? How the birth of the United Nations organization happens? Okay, now see, set of rules called the Charter of the United Nations Organization was signed by 50 member countries, including India. It listed the aims, objectives, principles of the organization to address important world issues and promote world peace. Today, 193 countries are members of the United Nations Organization. The United Nations headquarters are in New York, the USA. They formed the organization. Next, they set a rules. When they formed the organization on 24th October in 1945, they set some rules called the Charter of the United Nations Organization was signed by 50 member countries, including India. It listed the aims, objectives, principles of the organization to address important world issues and promote to world peace. Today, 193 countries are members of the United Nations Organization. When they started, only 50 member countries. Now, today, 193 countries are members of this United Nations Organization. The United Nations Organization's headquarters, where it is there? It is in New York, the USA. The United Nations Organization headquarters are in New York. Understood, no kids? Do you know the year 2015 marked the 70th anniversary of the United Nations Organization? In the year 2015 marks the 50th anniversary of the United Nations Organization. When it is formed, it was formed in 24th October 1945, and in 2015 it marks the 70th anniversary of the United Nations Organization. Now, the United Nations aims to maintain the peace and security in the world by developing the friendly relations among the all countries and by helping to solve the disputes in a peaceful manner. It also tackles important issues facing the world such as climate change, human rights, terrorism, natural calamities, and the gender equality among the others. Now we are going to see the functions of the United Nations. What they are doing. The United Nations aim to maintain their work. What is the work of the United Nations Organization? The United Nations aim is to maintain the peace, security in the world by developing friendly relations among all countries and by helping to solve the disputes in peaceful manner. United Nations aim to maintain peace, security in the world, and by developing friendly relation among all countries, by helping to solve disputes in a peaceful manner. It also tackles important issues facing the world, such as climate changes, human rights, terrorism, natural calamities, and the gender equality, among others. Understood, my kids? What is the work of the United Nations organization? Now we will see main objectives of the United Nations. Main objectives of the United Nations: to maintain international peace and security. Main objectives of the United Nations are to maintain the international peace and security, to develop friendly relations among the countries, to achieve international cooperation, to be center for harmonizing the actions of the nations to achieve their objectives. Main objectives of the United Nations are to maintain the international peace and security. It aims to intervene and prevent war by ensuring the cooperation, peace, and brotherhood among the countries. United Nations aim is to intervene and prevent wars by ensuring the cooperation, peace, and brotherhood among the countries. Next point is to develop the friendly relation among the countries. The United Nations stands for the human rights, equality, and the fundamental freedom for all. United Nations stand for human rights, equality, and the fundamental freedom for all. Next point is to achieve the international cooperation. The United Nations helps nations to work together to conquer hunger, diseases, illiteracy, by helping and supporting one another. The United Nations helps nations to work together to conquer hunger, diseases, illiteracy, by helping and supporting one another. Next point is to be center for harmonizing the action of the nations to achieve their objectives. The United Nations aim to promote overall progress and development of the member countries in economic, social, cultural space. The United Nations aim to prevent overall progress, development of the member countries in economic and social and cultural space. Understood, my kids, how the birth of the United Nations Kingdom was over and the main objectives of the United Nations, how built the United Nations organization, why they built the United Nations organization, when it was formed and where it is there, and what are the main objectives of the United Nations. Understood now in this video? Okay, now in the next, we stop here. In the next video, we are going to see the main organs of the United Nations. Until you read the lesson carefully, learn the all new words and write down in your notebook. Understood, my kids? Thank you for watching the video.